Understanding delayed pregnancy, many couples tell me the same thing. Doctor, we've been trying for pregnancy for months or even years, but it's still not happening, and we are really worried. Pregnancy delay can happen due to different reasons, sometimes related to women, sometimes related to men. That's why, in many cases, both partners need proper evaluation to know about infertility causes. In women, problems like PCOS, irregular periods, hormone imbalance, stress, tubal blocks, thyroid, aging, or ovulation difficulties can slowly affect female fertility, so early treatment is important. Infertility is not only related to women. In men, low sperm count, poor sperm movement, stress, hormonal imbalance, structural issues, or lifestyle factors may also affect pregnancy chances. When hormones are not balanced properly, ovulation in women may become irregular. And when sperm quality is affected, it may become difficult to fertilize the egg. These factors affect pregnancy for many couples. Stress and emotional impact are the major concerns in infertility cases because after repeated disappointment, many couples become emotionally exhausted, stressed, anxious, and silently worried about their future. Early fertility evaluation can help identify possible causes sooner, giving couples a clear understanding of their reproductive health and helping guide the most appropriate treatment and care plan to achieve pregnancy. Female fertility evaluation may include hormonal assessment, ovulation tracking, ultrasound studies, thyroid evaluation, and reproductive health investigations to identify the causes. Male fertility evaluation may include semen analysis, sperm health assessment, and hormonal testing, helping us understand important factors that may affect fertility more clearly. Homeopathy in fertility care is individualized by understanding hormonal balance, emotional health, reproductive patterns, and overall wellness to address the fertility related concerns holistically for men and women. Homeopathic treatment also aims to support healthy hormones, ovulation, and reproductive wellness in women, while also helping support sperm health, vitality, and fertility potential in men. We know the journey to parenthood can be filled with hope and worry. At Dr. Sheila Homeopathic Healthcare Clinic, we're here to support and guide you with personalized care every step of the way. If you're facing delayed pregnancy, fertility concerns, or hormonal imbalance, consult Dr. Sheila Homeopathic Healthcare Clinic, Chennai for personalized holistic fertility care. Book your consultation today.